Nope, look at the elbow. Look at my elbow. Now, 1, 2, 3, go. It's how you give a proper high five, my friends. All right. Welcome, my friends. This short sequence is for those of you that sit at an office chair, desk situation all day and might not feel comfortable or be able to get on a yoga mat and actually stretch out and do your practice. So if you find yourself in the middle of the day, in the middle of your office, surrounded by a bunch of people who might look at you kind of funny if you went into sun salutations right there on the floor, this is for you. So we're gonna start by just centering ourselves. Feel yourself supported in your chair. I like to come towards the front of my chair and just take a minute to breathe. Tune inward, particularly if you are in a space where there's a lot going on. Just take a few deep breaths. Allow your exhale to slowly come out through your mouth. Good. Once you feel centered, on your inhale, bring your left arm up towards the sky, keeping both of your sitting bones centered on your chair and gently toning your abdominal muscles. Exhale and side bend over to your right, feeling your left side body lengthen back out. You can look down at the ground, straight out in front of you or up at the ceiling, depending on what feels best to you. And then inhale, come up, and let's switch sides. So bring your right arm up towards the ceiling and exhale over. Take a few deep breaths here. Notice the experience of your right side body. And inhale up. Good. This time, as you inhale, bring both arms up. You can either reach your fingertips up towards the sky with your hands about shoulder width apart, or if you'd like to, you can hook your thumbs together and gently press the back of your hands towards the wall behind you. Hold for another couple breaths. And then as you exhale, on your next exhale, pull your elbows down, press your shoulder blades flat against your back to lift your heart forward. Hold here for a moment and then relax your arms down. Roll your shoulders a few times here. Good. All right. We're going to come into a twist. So bring your left hand to your right knee. Place your right hand on the right side of your chair, the back of your chair, or just reach it out behind you as you exhale and bring your gaze over your right shoulder behind you. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, come back to center, and let's switch sides. Inhale, exhale, twist behind you. Inhale, lengthen your spine. And exhale, come back to center. Bring both of your hands to your knees. We're going to do a seated cat-cow. So as you inhale, lift your heart up and forward. Your back will naturally arch and your gaze will float up towards the ceiling. But I also want you to focus on keeping the back of your neck long. As you exhale, round your back out behind you, tuck your chin. Let's do that a few more times. Inhale, draw your heart forward. And exhale, round your back. One more time. Inhale forward. And exhale back. Good. Return to a neutral spine. Inhale, lengthen your spine. And as you exhale, just fold your body over your legs in front of you. Allow your spine to lengthen out. Gravity will assist you in this. Release any tension in your neck and shoulders. And then as you inhale, one vertebrae at a time, slowly roll back up. Good. Bring your left leg extended out in front of you with your left heel touching the ground. Inhale, float your arms up. If you'd like, you can keep them at your waist. And then exhale, fold forward. If you're using your arms in this move, you would reach your arms towards your left foot. Just hold here for a few breaths, allowing your exhale to invite the tension in the back of your left leg and hip to release. And then on your inhale, slowly roll up and switch sides. So extend your right leg out in front of you. Inhale. And exhale, fold forward towards your right foot. Being careful not to bump your head on your desk or any other office equipment nearby. Take a few breaths here, using your exhale to release any tension. And then on your inhale, slowly roll up. Good. All right. Both feet are flat on the ground. Bring your left foot and ankle up to your right knee. You can either take your hands to gently apply pressure to your left knee, pressing downward to open your left hip up, or if you'd like to, you can also exhale and fold forward. And just breathe your way through this. If you spend a lot of time sitting, the muscles in your hips and your glutes, the really, really small ones, tend to tighten up. So this might be a particularly spicy stretch. Don't shy away from it, but also remind your body to relax into it. Don't tense up anywhere else to make up for this. Good. Inhale, rise up. Gently switch sides. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, fold forward. Breathe into this. Good. Take one more breath here. And then gently work your way up. Bring both feet back down to the ground. We're gonna do one more twist. To begin the twist, inhale, bring your arms up. And as you exhale, your left hand will come to your right knee. Your right hand will stretch out behind you. Inhale, return to center. And exhale, bring your right hand to your left knee, your left hand to stretch out behind you. Let's do each side one more time, allowing your breath to set the pace at which you move through these. Good. Inhale, come back to center. Allow your arms to come and rest at your sides. If you've got a lot of neck tension, take a moment here, bring your right ear down to your right shoulder. Extend your left arm out. Big breath in. Let it out through your mouth. And switch sides. Left ear towards your left shoulder. Extend your right arm out. Big breath in and out. And for our last stretch, we're going to use your desk or table or whatever surface you're working at. And you can scoot your chair as far away as you need to for however you choose to position your arms. I like to stack one arm on top of the other so that there's a pillow for my forehead. You can also extend your arms out and use the edge of your table to hold your forehead. But essentially, you want it to be far enough away so that as you lean forward, your spine lengthens out and stretches away, almost as if your spine were kind of like a hammock. Your chest will open so that your heart can reach forward. Just breathe here for a few moments. If you've got tension in your forehead, you can use the edge of your desk to gently turn your head from side to side. You can reach your heart forward a little more to open up your shoulders and the front of your chest if you're noticing extra tension storing up there. Take one more deep breath in. Exhale. Stay here for as long as you need. And And when you're ready, gently lengthen your spine, coming back to a neutral spine before you use your desk to push yourself back upright. Roll your shoulders a few times. Take a few deep breaths and jump back into whatever you set aside to make this time for yourself. Have a wonderful day, and thank you for joining me.